going to solve 3/5 times 20 using the array model. So looking at 3/5 times 20, how many whole pieces are we going to start with? Damani. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the next step is we need to figure out what 3/5 of 20 is. And using what we know about fractions, what does the denominator in a fraction always tell us? What does the denominator in a fraction tell us, Andrew?
How many groups there needs to be?
How many total groups there are, right? So if we need 5 groups of 20, we know based on our division how many circles are going to be in each group if we have 5 groups of 20. Jackson. 4, because 20 divided by 5 is 4, right? So this is going to be 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and 5 groups. Again, looking at our fraction. Now we're focusing on the numerator. What does the numerator in a fraction tell us? Audrey.
It tells us how many groups we're going to be working with.
It tells us how many groups to focus on and how many groups we're working with, right? How many of these 5 groups are we looking at? Yes.
3.
We're looking at 3 of the 5 groups that we're working with. So let's go ahead and highlight 3 of those 5 groups. 1, 2, 3. Based on that, how many total circles do we have in our 3 groups that we're focusing on? Ava? We have 12 total circles, which means our answer is 12. Can we use an algorithm to check this over?
Yeah.
How would we do that? What would our algorithm look like? Lydia?
We could use the box strategy.
We would have 3/5 times, what do we need to do with 20 before we multiply? Since it's a whole, we need to do what?
Turn it into a fraction.
We need to turn it into a fraction. How do we turn 20 into a fraction, Reed?
By putting 1 under it.
We'll put a 1 under it. And now we're multiplying across, right? What's 3 times 20? Emily? 60. And 5 times 1 is? 5. Since this is an improper fraction, we take 60 and divide it by 5 to find the answer. 5 goes into 6 one time. Bring down the 0. 10 divided by 5? 2. Does our answer here match our answer here?
Yes.
So we know that our answer is